I would like to present about my group project, which is about mental health. As we all know, mental health issue is arising issues among today's young generation, especially students. So the problem that we would like to solve is about mental health issue among students, because they are highly prevalent, yet many feel so embarrassed, stigmatized, or fearful to seek for counseling. So they are very embarrassed to express their feeling, their stress, or their worries to the counselor, a lecturer, or someone authorized. Our project goals is to provide students with a safe platform to express their emotion and feeling anonymously, so they will not feel embarrassed because people to know. Other than that, we also want to reduce the stigma of seeking help by offering AI-driven responses that comfort and motivate. My AI project goals is to analyze student messages and detect underlying emotional states. Second, to generate supportive, empathetic, and hopeful responses that encourage well-being. Third, to trigger alerts when messages such as potential self-harm, connecting the student to emergency contacts immediately.
Let's continue with the solution proposal. To achieve the goal of this project, the AI system will focus on predicting stress or anxiety level based on the data collected from the smartwatch sensor. The prediction will be made by analyzing features such as heart rate, sleep quality, and physical activity pattern. Additionally, unusual activity patterns such as a sudden heart rate spikes during specific times can help identify possible stress trigger. To strengthen the model, user can also provide simple self-report or journal about their mood and stress. In the level, data is collected from touch journal, smartwatch heartbeats, and daily mood check-ins. That is pre-processed and categorized as neutral, stress, anxious, depressive, or self-harm risk, while heartbeat data is labeled into normal, mild stress, high stress, or panic. In the learning, machine learning models are applied. For example, natural language processing (NLP) technique can analyze the text for stress or harmful thoughts even when the user using its mother tongue languages. While the algorithm will analyze the learning technique like SVM and random forest to process heartbeat patterns. A recommendation system is also trained to provide coping strategies. Next, I'm going to explain about put into actions for our stress management apps. When a sign of stress are detected, whether through confessions or abnormal heartbeat patterns, the apps first, it sends a notification to the user, grounding technique or motivational quotes to reduce stress in the moment. Third, if the system detects a high self-harm risk, it will immediately alert the user's preset close contact for urgent support. The apps will provide daily motivational messages every morning. Users are also given the task to a weekly craft that visualize their mood, stress trends, and which can allow them to track progress and identify patterns over time.
Our AI project starts with sensing. We gather real-time data from smartwatch, things like heart rate, sleep patterns, and emotional indicators. Students also check in through quick stress survey, and we sync academic schedules like exam dates and deadlines. Next is store. All data is safely stored in the cloud and linked to the student's institutional email to keep it private and secure. Then, cost prediction. Using machine learning, we predict each student's stress level based on pattern in their physical and emotional data. The system learns and adapts over time, helping students and educators take action before stress becomes